Winrose Wangui has personally confirmed what her next move is now that she left Royal Media and Inoro TV. Na nĩaugĩrĩire mafans ake what her new office will be from now onwards. Na Winrose took to her Facebook page na kwĩra mafans ake atĩ her office from today will be her own brand ĩrĩa yũĩkaine ta Lawin's Brides and Bridal Center, na ĩrĩa ĩngĩ yake ya decor yũĩkaine ta Lawin Smart Decor. Ĩrĩa nĩ biashara ciake, her own businesses, her own brands, which she has been growing and managing alongside being a news anchor at Inoro TV. No rĩu she quit Inoro TV na akauga this is now her full-time job, her new office from today onwards. And to back that up, kuonia mafans ake ati nima this is now her new office, she shared a video of her ceremoniously dancing at her new job at her store, her clothesline store ĩrĩa Lawin Brides and Bridal Center, which mainly focuses on bridal wear, bridal outfits, bridal gowns, and also ĩyo Lawin Smart Decor ĩrĩa nayo ĩdiraga na interior house designs, curtains, and all that. And besides that too, she also is a brand ambassador for Solai Paint. I'm sure Gîkeno visited the page yake recently. She has been doing a lot of endorsements and promotions for Royal Beauty Industries na Solai Paint. She's also a brand ambassador at Solai Paints na nimerega gũkorwo makĩgwatĩrwo ũhotani at some recent Boya Awards this year 2022 kũrĩa matugirwo na ngerenwa. Now this is what she shared to her fans akĩmera it's OD time, Lawin Brides and Bridal Center and Lawin Smart Decor 2. This is my office from today. Contact me for your bridal needs and curtains. She also shared the numbers. Here they are. Nakera mafans ake kindly follow us on Facebook pages and TikTok at Lawin Bridal Center. Na rĩu mafans ake arĩa marakĩrĩ na mwĩhoko atĩ she might be coming back to TV kana akorwo she's moving to another station. Asha Winrose has confirmed that her new office from today onwards is Lawin Brides and Bridal Center na also Lawin Smart Decor, her two brands. That's where she will now be fully based. She's taking the entrepreneurial route, being her own boss, and we wish her all the best. A big congratulations to her and we wish her all the success. Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe, never miss an update on the latest Kikuyu celebrity news. Subscribe now for the latest and trending gossip.